Hello lock pickers, I've got this little lock here for you. I literally just done an out of the packet video on this, but my phone just crashed, so I lost everything. So packets there, £1.25, piece of junk this is. Why did I get it? Let me hold this up against the background. Look at the bitting. Is there a bitting on that? How can you call that a key? It is a tiny little keyway. It works with the sweetest of little clicks. Right, you can't even get a tension wrench in there. Oh yeah, well, I can get it in, but you can't get nothing else in. So I literally just back of the pick, add a little play around, there we go, we're open. No tension wrench, just the back of a pick. What's it called? Cold door. What else could we try to open it with? I know. Oh, before I do go absolute nuts on this, if you can see the cap that holds all the pins in, you just get a tiny blade or something. I'm sure we could pop that open. I don't think I've got one on me here. Pick tips are going to be too. Anything in a toolbox that's going to be any good. I got a little knife. I don't think it's going to get in there. Builder's making a racket outside. No, but I reckon we could easily pop that off. But I think we could probably cut through the shackle with some scissors, but I got these. So let's just have a little see if that's toughened. No, it's definitely not toughened. Let's see how tough the lock is, shall we? Let's see if that's tough. Right, hope everyone's wearing their safety goggles. Yeah, that wasn't very secure. So yeah, I don't really think we're going to be able to put this one back together again. Go, focus. No, it's not having none of it. Yeah, so it's got some springs and yeah, nice. See if there's any work done to the core. No, what a joke. Anyway, cheers for watching. I better do some tidying up now. Bye bye.